I just want to quickly play you a bit of Scott Morrison talking to Shari last Sunday evening, where he claims, oh, no, mandates, nothing to do with us. Have a listen.
The federal government did not support any other mandate at all. I can also say this, that the expert medical panel that guided and advised throughout the pandemic, they never agreed to wide-scale vaccine mandates. Not once.
So hang on, James. I know I have a vivid imagination, but I imagined the fact that there were mandates and things. Did I?
I think you must have imagined the fact that there were mandates. Right? I think the XPM is trying to rewrite things. But I want to pick up on this Royal Commission point that you made, because the really big question. This is the biggest question. We can argue about the lockdowns and the coffee cups and the skate parks and all of that. The big question in my mind is this: why did Australia, which had excellent pandemic plans in place, and Tony Abbott, when he was health minister, worked very hard on these, that never called for the sorts of lockdowns, restrictions, closing schools, closing down the economy, and everything else that we saw here in Australia, why were those abandoned? Why did suddenly everybody decide that what they needed to do was follow the CCP Wuhan model? Why did they do that? And why, when everybody was saying, well, Sweden, they're going to be this whole horrible, apocalypse of COVID, and now we know that they had the lowest excess mortality rate from 2020 to 2022. Bjorn Lomborg's been talking about that. They turned out to have the lowest excess mortality because they never went down and followed the CCP model.